Welcome to Nomex heat and flame resistant fiber from DuPont. Nomex is inherently heat and flame resistant and will not melt and drip or support combustion in air. This comes from its unique molecular structure and means Nomex thermal protection is permanent and cannot be washed out or worn away. Nomex fiber is special because it reacts in a crisis, changing its properties to use up more thermal energy. And here's how. This intelligent fiber thickens in intense heat, for example a flashover, to ensure less heat is transferred to the wearer. This provides valuable seconds of protection when firefighters need it most. The thickened Nomex barrier stays supple and flexible until it cools down. Thereafter, Nomex that has been exposed to intense heat may show signs of change, alerting the wearer that repair or replacement is necessary. To support garment manufacturers, DuPont and the U.S. Air Force developed ThermoMan, a mannequin used to predict burn injuries. Equipped with 122 heat sensors, ThermoMan is dressed in Nomex and engulfed in flames, testing garments in typical flash fires of up to 1,000 degrees centigrade. ThermoMan, which simulates a worst-case scenario, has become an industry standard, ISO 13506. Air permeability, or breathability, is one of the most important factors of a garment. Statistics from the United States show that the #1 cause of casualties is heat stress. Where firefighters' core body temperature rises, it leads to impaired judgment, mistakes, and accidents. Garments with high insulating properties only compound the problem. The higher breathability of Nomex outer shell garments, along with the lightweight construction, helps reduce the risk of heat stress. When it comes to turnout gear, Nomex outer shells are consciously constructed with the meta-aramid fiber Nomex and a lower percentage of Kevlar, a para-aramid fiber which is added for strength. In order to maximize the thermal protection, air permeability, and physical performance of the garment, DuPont estimates the best mix to be around 23% para-aramid and recommends not exceeding 40% para-aramid in the fiber blend. Fabric from Nomex with Hainsworth Titan technology containing 9% para-aramid is around 3 times more air permeable than a competitor product containing 60% para-aramid. What's more, the breathability of the para-aramid based garment drops dramatically after 25 washes. There is a second problem when you wash a garment constructed with a high proportion of para-aramid. This graph shows that after 25 washes, a 60% para-aramid garment loses a higher percentage of its tear strength compared to a fabric made from Nomex with Hainsworth Titan technology. For firefighters intervening in a host of situations like flood and water rescues, car accidents, and paramedical tasks, Nomex is more comfortable to wear on a day-to-day basis.
Nomex is eine Top-Stoff, eine Top-Kleidung.
Nomex is a great material. It has a high protection factor and is relatively very comfortable to wear. You can imagine when a firefighter is in action and wearing breathing apparatus, every gram saved in the weight of his uniform is appreciated. But the protection factor has to be guaranteed. It's a top-notch material, and we're very, very satisfied with the quality of this protective clothing.
Mit dieser Qualität dieser Schutzkleidung.
But as a firefighter, how can you be sure you're wearing the best? Look for Nomex brand label, visible in approved firefighting apparel. For heat and flame protection, Nomex has been the first choice for millions of firefighters, industrial workers, military, and police personnel for over 40 years. In the motor racing industry, Nomex is the most commonly used material to protect drivers and crew. For the Apollo 11 mission to the moon, 20 of the 21 layers of the spacesuit were made using DuPont inventions, including Nomex. Nomex, the fiber that reacts in a crisis.